Unfinished business is the leftovers that we carry with ourselves due to a childhood hit. Or what Dick told us is it's not the presence of the inner child, or it's not the absence of the healing to the inner child that's creating the problem. The problem, the disparity and the dysfunctionality in the relationship is because the inner adult is missing, which means you did not grow up. It's the absence of the inner adult. It's not the presence of the healing that the child has not received. The child cannot receive healing if the adult is missing. The child doesn't have the volition. The child never had choice points. The child never could have, which is why the child took on those children strategies to please, to kiss ass, to be scared, to show I'm helpless, to survive. The adult has. So it's time to look at life, and the inner affirmation or the therapy work that we do is to restore that family system and then to claim intimacy back. The work is to develop the inner adult. And without developing the inner adult, if you start healing the child, hey, the child is going to get hurt again because the child cannot take care of itself, even if it is healed today. The adult is a metaphor for having autonomy. The adult is a metaphor for being assertive. You mean to say children can't be assertive? They can be. Children will show assertiveness with emotions, and that's how you know it is childish. Well, the adult must have childlike property. But when you carry on your adulthood without adult, then all you have is childishness.